Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Art Maxing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the Etsy and how you as an artist, as a designer can utilize the Etsy and can make more passive income or active income online by using the Etsy. So I'm going to talk about the Etsy in this video. So if you're interested in that, then let's get started with today's video guys. And before going into the good part guys, consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started with that. And also guys, I'm really grateful for yesterday's video because I got a few of the beautiful comments from the people who were actually watched my yesterday's video, because my yesterday video was focusing on behind the scenes stuff on how I'm feeling as being an online entrepreneur and talking more about the reality of building an online business and all about things. So if you haven't checked that video out, you can check in the card section above guys. But I'm really grateful for all the people for your beautiful comment on that video, and also a few of the people have sent me an DMs and email as well, and I'm really grateful for that as well. Thank you so much for guys for supporting me, for watching my videos. And in that video, and also guys, yesterday's video has got good watch time in comparison to my other videos on my channel. Like I don't get that much good watch time in comparison to my other videos on my channel, and yesterday video got good and it's ranking 1 right now on my channel. So I'm really grateful for every single person who watched my yesterday's video. I'm really thankful to you for supporting me, for helping me, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And that video has good watch time, and I'm really grateful. That means that you people are connecting to my content. That means you people are really able to relate to my content, and that's the thing I want with my YouTube videos, to connect with you guys, to relate with you guys, and you guys are able to connect with it, because the watch time only indicates that you guys are watching that video for a very long time in comparison to my other videos, and which is really awesome. And I'm so thankful to you guys for that good watch time, and people are watching it. I'm grateful. That means you guys want more such behind the scenes stuff, talking about the reality, not just showing the fake side of the building an online journey, what those fake gurus and fake coaches are showing you of being an online entrepreneur, the fake side, not showing you the reality. And I'm gonna bring more such videos in the future for you guys to know actually the reality and not just seeing the fake side, and you guys can connect to it if you're also an online entrepreneur going through the similar phases as like me. You can connect to it, you can relate to it, and we can both talk in the comment section. And thank you so much guys for that. Now let's talk about today's video guys. Now you already know that Redbubble and TeePublic, and these are the places on which you're selling your art and designs. You're quite limited to it, because Redbubble had done the mass account suspension. Some people got it, some people didn't got it, and who didn't got it, they are completely out of the Redbubble. And if they are just solely focusing on the Redbubble to sell their art and designs, then you yourself know how much limited those people are. So I really wanna I really wanna show you the other sides of the things, not just looking at the Redbubble, not just looking at the TeePublic or Merch by Amazon. These are good places to sell your art and designs, no doubt. These are good places to sell your art and designs, but there are many other places as well on which you can utilize and can sell your art and design as well. Because as usual, you don't need to keep your eggs in one basket, which is really important as being an online entrepreneur, as being someone who is selling online, which is really important, because everyone is saying don't keep your eggs in one basket, and that really happened to me from my own experience. You guys already know about my Redbubble incident. So that is really important, and that's the purpose of today's videos, to actually talk about the Etsy and to show you guys that you being an artist, you being a designer, can sell on the Etsy as well, not just limited to the Redbubble or to TeePublic or just 3 or 4 print-on-demand websites only. So talking about the Etsy guys, now there are many ways in which you can utilize us and selling on the Etsy. Like you can sell your physical product as well, you can sell your digital product as well. So I'm going to talk about the physical and digital product both, so that whichever suits to your need, whichever one you can get started with that, you can get started with that. Now guys, Etsy is not free in comparison to the Redbubble, TeePublic. Etsy, it's not free. You need to pay 20 cents per listing, and that listing renew like 3 to 4 months, that listing renew, and then you need to pay again 20 cents and all that. And then there is different types of taxes and different types of VATs and all that. So there are some sort of fees which is related to the Etsy, that it's not free to get started with the Etsy. So that's the first thing. Another thing is about their huge marketplace, guys. They have the huge marketplace, just like in Amazon. They have so many people coming onto their platform to actually purchase the beautiful handmade products and also the physical and digital products. So that's really an amazing opportunity. Another thing is talking about the physical product. Now I'm going to talk about basically the physical product as you being an artist and designer. If you're an artist and designer, that means you're creating your own original artwork. You can sell your original artwork on the Etsy as well. You can open up a shop on the day one itself. You don't need to get an approval. There is a fees for the listing, so take that thing into consideration. But you don't need to get an approval to open up a shop on the Etsy. You can start with the day one itself, guys. So start your shop onto the Etsy and sell your original art. Another thing, being a physical product, you can also sell your print-on-demand product. Yes, guys, you can integrate your Etsy with the Printful, Printify, Guzan, and can sell the various print-on-demand product like the mugs, the t-shirts, the greeting cards, the pillow covers, and so on and so forth. You can sell your print-on-demand product as well. Another thing, guys, if you are a handmade seller, if you are a person who is creating a craft, who is creating some form of art at your home with utilizing your own craft, then you can sell that thing as well. Let me give you an example. If you are an embroidery artist who are creating the embroidery, you can sell your original embroidery as well onto the Etsy. So Etsy is mainly catering to the handmade sellers. So the people who are actually coming onto the Etsy, they have there in their mind that they are purchasing from an individual sellers onto the Etsy, which is really amazing benefit in comparison to the Amazon. On the Amazon, you're going to see there are a bunch of sellers out there, but not all are handmade sellers. So if you are a person who are creating your craft or art at the home and you want to sell them, then the Etsy is the right place for you, because these are particularly catering for the handmade sellers only, and particularly related to the art and design industry, because it's so huge. Art and craft design industry is so huge on the Etsy. If you check out for each individual product, you're going to find there are so many products in this category and in the beauty niche as well, like the self-care kits, the handmaids lip balms, the lip glosses, and various type of beauty products, the cosmetics and all that. So it's huge if you are a handmade person or creating a craft or an art at home. Now talking about the digital product, if you are a person who is creating your art, your design in the form of a digital download, like just as in case of the Creative Fabrica and Creative Market, where you're selling your art, your design in the form of a digital download, and if you're creating your art in the form of digital download, then Etsy is also an amazing place for you. Yes, guys, you can sell your art in the design in the form of digital product. Let me give you a few examples about this. So there is a few examples about the digital planner. You can create a digital planner, you can sell them. Then there is that you can create a guide as well, like an ebook. If you have some sort of an expertise or some knowledge about any particular item or any particular thing, you can talk about it. There are many books. Then you can also sell your art in the form of art printables, a digital download. That's art printable in various different sizes. People can just download it and can take a printout of it and then can use it for their home and all that. Another thing you can sell as a digital download is the cheat sheets, spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations. You can also sell them. You can sell your own design. If you are a photographer, guys, you can sell your own photographs as well in the high pixels and the high resolution file, or even you can sell your Lightroom presets. You can create your own presets and sell them. You can sell the backdrops, the designs bundles. There are many textures bundles, there are many illustration bundles, the graphic bundles. Like, there is so much you can sell onto the Etsy, either in the form of a physical product or either in the form of a digital product. And one more thing I'm going to talk about that, which is also new and not many people are doing it, is selling your own custom made product. If you are an artist and you are a designer and you are selling your service, like you are making a commission artwork or you are making a designs for an artist or somebody else, then you can also start with your service-based business on the Etsy as well. There are many artists, there are many sellers onto the Etsy who are selling their services. So there are the three different types of things you can do on the Etsy. That is the physical product selling, digital product selling, and service-based business. So whatever you are in, you can go and get started with that. You can sell your services as well, in particularly to the details, like how many details you're going to do it, depending on your file size, depending on the files, depending on how much time it's taking you to create that product, and all those things. You can sell your services as well. So it's like multiple things you can do onto the Etsy, guys. And Being a print-on-demand seller, you can integrate with the Printful, Printify, and can also with the Gooten, and can utilize the Etsy for that as well. Selling the digital product is another amazing option. You don't need to handle the physical shipping and all those drop shipping and everything about it. You can just sell the digital product, like someone actually purchase it, then they can download it and can utilize it. There is a bunch of the digital downloads you can see on the Etsy, guys, which is really awesome. Whichever route you choose, whether the physical product, digital product, or service-based business, whatever one suits to you is an amazing opportunity on the Etsy. Yes, saturated right now because there are many sellers on there. There are many artists, many designers selling on their platform. But if you are utilizing the Etsy and putting the right keywords, right title and description, and creating your own branding around your Etsy shop, will really going to help you stand out on the Etsy, and also targeting the particular niche. For example, if you are making an art printables, if you're creating an art in the form of a digital downloads, that are digital art printables, then you can create your art printable related to one particular niche. For example, the watercolor textures or the motivation quotes or something like that. You can create art printable related to one particular niche and can sell on these platforms. And even if you're selling your print on demand products by integrating with the Printful, Printify, Gooten, whatever place you are utilizing it, you can target one particular keyword or one particular niche on the Etsy as well. For example, if you want to go with the trending niches, then you can go with the holiday niches, or if you want to go with the evergreen, then you can create some flowery design, particularly catering to the individual customer or keeping in mind the ideal customer avatar. And according to that, you can stand out on the Etsy marketplace. Even though they are saturated, you can stand it out according to it. So that's a great opportunity if you're looking out as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a designer, or as a general in person who want to sell something online. Etsy is a great opportunity for you. Don't just limit yourself to the Redbubble and the TeePublic, because you need to keep your eggs in various different baskets. So if one basket goes away, you are no longer feeling bad about it. You have your other baskets in place. So that's the purpose of this video, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know, is this today's video is helpful to you or not? And do you want more such videos talking about the various different websites on which you can sell your art and designs? Leave a comment below and let me know. So I'm going to make more such videos talking about the various different websites on which you can sell your art and designs and can make money online and as an artist, as a designer, or as a print-on-demand seller, whatever it is, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.